I've reached a point in my life where I no longer expect too much from people. If you want to leave, I won't stop you. If unfriending me makes you happy, go ahead. I've learned to accept that not all efforts are reciprocated, and that's okay. If you can't match my love, I respect that. If you don't like me, I can live with that. Reaching this mindset takes maturity. It takes self-love to understand that pleasing people is exhausting, that begging for their presence is pointless, and that forcing connections is never worth it. Now I let things flow. If you stay, you're meant to be in my life. If you leave, I let go. It's draining to force things, painful to see your efforts go unnoticed, and not worth it to chase someone just to prove your love. You deserve better than that. Friendships shouldn't be forced, and reconciliation shouldn't be given to those who don't deserve it. Never regret trying, especially when you've done your part to make things work. Focus on your own journey. Surround yourself with those who truly love you. Embrace change because, in the end, it's the only constant thing in this world. Remember, the kindest thing you can do for yourself is letting people leave when they no longer want to stay. No begging for closure, no convincing someone to see your worth. If they wanted to be in your life, they would be. Yes, it will hurt. You'll feel the sting of their absence, the emptiness where they used to be. But the truth is, someone who truly values you wouldn't make you question your place in their life. Letting go isn't giving up. It doesn't mean you didn't care. It means you respect yourself enough to accept reality. It's understanding that people are allowed to leave, and you are allowed to move forward without them. Some people are only meant to be temporary, and forcing them to stay will only cause more pain in the long run. Feel the loss, sit with the discomfort, cry if you need to, but don't let it break you. Your worth isn't defined by who stays, and your peace isn't dependent on who walks away. So take a deep breath, release what's already gone, and open yourself to what's waiting ahead. Because what's meant for you will never require begging to stay.